University of Asia, a leading local university known to develop excellent and emerging professionals who are catalysts of progress for local and nation. University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to highly competent and morally responsible recipients through innovation, industry-focused innovation, sustainable research, values-based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethical trailblazers, bringing our principle-centered culture, finding our values of mga Diyos, marunong, and core values, uprightness, excellence, passion. My instructor in that part of is Ma'am Evelyn Tan. In Net 101, I have learned the basics of how devices communicate with each other in a net. I now understand that network is not all about cable and wire. It is about how data travels from point A to point B, following rules called protocol. For example, TCP or IP addressing was taught to us, which works like unique identification for a device, and MAC addressing, which is like permanent fingerprints on a network card. There are certain devices like routers, switches, and hubs. These devices go a long way toward directing the data and making it reaches the right destination without congesting the network. I came to understand that it's a communication about how a device transfers information from one device to another, irrespective of the distance. I learned about the different networks, such as LAN, for a small area like our house or school. One, which are connected devices separated by different space or even boundaries. And MAN, which is a kind of two or buildings under the average distance of city. Applying Cisco Packet Tracer, you can create your own network from scratch, much like in a virtual playground. I was able to assign IP addresses, connect computers, and use commands like ping to see if the devices could communicate because I could see the data traveling through my network like cars on a road. It really brought the theory to life. Networking 101 taught me that networks are physical highway, not just communication. In addition to understanding how they work, I know how to design, test, and troubleshoot them. It gave me a solid foundation which I can't wait to build upon for networking.